The ABF RX-350 RX-500 boasts a temperature detection range spanning from -20 degrees centigrade to 450 degrees centigrade, rendering it suitable for a wide spectrum of thermal analysis tasks. Whether it's detecting anomalies in electrical systems, conducting floor heating repairs, or monitoring industrial processes, this thermal imager proves to be a versatile tool, capable of delivering accurate results. One of the standout features of this device lies in its image and video export method, which utilizes a USB connection to seamlessly transfer data to a computer for further analysis. This streamlined export process facilitates efficient workflow management, enabling users to swiftly analyze captured images and videos with ease. The ABF RX-350 RX-500 offers robust image analysis functionalities, supporting offline analysis on PC platforms. This capability empowers users to delve deeper into captured data, facilitating comprehensive thermal assessments and informed decision-making processes. The thermal imager provides users with flexibility in temperature measurement modes, including center point tracking and hot-cold spot tracking. This versatility allows for precise temperature monitoring, ensuring the detection of critical hotspots or abnormalities within the thermal landscape. Moreover, users have the option to customize their viewing experience with a range of color palettes such as rainbow, iron cold color, white hot, and black hot. This customizable feature enhances clarity and visibility, enabling users to discern thermal differentials with enhanced precision. The ABF RX-350 RX-500 offers multiple image display modes, including infrared, visible light, and dual light fusion. This flexibility in display options enables users to adapt to various environmental conditions and tailor their imaging preferences according to specific requirements.